I love being a chef because it channels your energy into something creative, and I have a massive passion for cooking and treating people to a really nice experience. Hi, my name is Dominic. I'm an apprentice chef at the State Buildings, and I am currently at Wildflower restaurant. In high school, I was diagnosed with dyslexia. Learning and working with my hands was something that I was very good at. That's where being a chef came quite naturally. My passion for food came from family and the cultural aspect of sharing a meal. During my studies at school, I did a Certificate 2 in hospitality. After I finished school, I started Certificate 3 in commercial cookery, where I'm currently in my 3rd year as an apprentice chef. The team at Wildflower is very skilled. We hold each other to high standards, and we try to build and develop as a team. Customer service is a big factor, and the thank you at the end is a massive deal. Being a chef, I could channel my energy into something that was positive and reinforce me that I could be successful in this industry.